to all our listeners tuning in this morning and watching our live show and Mataka Day. We say Yarbanaka and welcome to our Spalangi show.
Good morning, everybody tuning in this wonderful morning. It may be raining, it may be drizzling, but it is a good morning. And the message.
It's slippery when wet. Be careful of your leg at the footstep because sometimes you're gonna lose something from falling down.
Yes,
you're gonna lose your purse. You're gonna lose your phone. You're gonna lose your
money.
Money is in the purse.
Yes,
you're gonna lose some interesting vacuum in your body. You need to stay focused and disciplined while walking in the slipperiness of weather.
Yeah, right back to all the drivers and all the passengers tuning in from
what you think?
Wherever you are. And we say Yanabanaka as well to all the listeners tuning in from overseas.
Alright.
We can Wakanda turang na marama turbo ng lewa. Di ngole tupo na katake na burubito kadi na matakendai. We say welcome to Outs Palangi Show.
Yes.
Okay.
Did you eat sweets yesterday?
Sweets on last Friday.
Oh.
No, last Friday. The day before the Diwali. Monday.
Oh,
Monday afternoon,
yes.
sweets was given by the fellow family friend.
Oh, okay.
So they give us, we continue from yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
You know, after this, you'll have diabetes.
No, not diabetes. After this, I'll scratch some tree trunk, the wheel. I'm doing one vacuum cleaner in my mouth.
Okay, that's one thing that we'll talk about this morning. The different types of the Fijian medicine,
Yes.
And the Dobangataka. Which one is the hard to swallow one?
Hard to swallow
Oh,
one?
the lai. I don't like it.
For me, it's the kura.
What?
The kura.
Oh, I haven't tried.
The kura is a very toughest man ever in this world ever pass your esophagus.
Okay, but let's talk about them. Why?
Kura is different. First of all, the smelling of the kura.
Oh, yes.
The kura when it's ripened, the kura.
What if you said kula?
No, the kura.
Oh, kura.
Kura may pneumonia.
Yeah,
the kura.
Yeah.
The kura is a kind of plant which shape is like Qatar.
Okay, kura is it a local plant, tree or?
It's local. Because it's grow in Fiji.
Yes.
But some too, they are from overseas base.
Right.
They can grow in another place.
Yeah.
But in Fiji, we lucky.
Yes.
If you never seen a kura before, you can pass before harvest.
Yes.
On your left hand.
Yeah.
When you go to nursery, before harvest, there's a plant of kura there growing on the left.
What is the scientific name for the kura?
Kuradi.
Boleh talento na Diwali sweets name or Okay, okay. Nakura, anyone can
use. He's a very good plant.
Yes.
He's a very good fruit.
A very helpful plant.
He can help.
Very useful.
Some of us we use for detox.
Yes.
The different kind of plant, but he is himself.
Yes.
When it's ripen, first of all, one day when you go to together with my grandfather,
yes,
in the bush, he just take one sandriu he bite, he mamas.
Oi.
When he do, he ask me, hey, you do it.
Yes.
First time for me, for the last time for me too.
Because the smell, the smell is good,
But it's very good.
Smell nice,
It's very good to him when he eat it, But we have to try because herbal medicine. Some of us we hate them.
Yes.
So rangunungunganga.
Right.
One is this Renwelit tangani. The papaya leaves.
Right.
The male one.
So Renwelit tangani is what? Used for what?
Then okay, they are different kind of if you want to know, hey, how come you know it's a male and a female?
Yes.
The female they bear fruits.
Yes.
Right.
They both give the say.
Yes.
But one of them give fruits. Kwa katangane say talenga but they are long say. Embala muna senra. But they never bear fruits.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we use the rauna. So you come and squeeze.
Yes.
Laku mo busok ka patelo mo on the way. And you drink. But sometimes nga. Together with the one who's from the COVID.
Yeah.
Nata.
Na bebendu.
Yes.
So they are nga.
You know, the popo plant is very useful. Like nearly everything is used.
Yeah.
The bark, the leaf,
the roots,
the fruits, even the seeds is very helpful.
Dinasar. Okay. Talking about the plant, like the popo, we have the male and the female.
Right.
What other plants out there, can you tell us? like two
Gender.
two gender.
Yeah.
The male and the female. Okay, Popo is one.
Popo is
Yeah,
one.
Do you know any other plant?
I have to think outside the box. Hey, ano man katulong ito bata pinatawa kay John Kumar and also to Nemani Kumbu.
Is there that into a plant?
No, he's not a plant.
Okay, then what?
He's
He's
a
a
what?
fruit.
What kind of fruit? Describe the fruit. Describe the
The
fruit.
first one. Pasa. I want to think because I want to know any other plant is a female or in a male.
Yeah.
In the middle
Because they
plant.
give fruits, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
That's what I asked.
only one thing I know.
Yeah. Ano nunggu pa kana nunggu? They say the male one, but the ones the important thing for them to bear the fruit
One silo.
is the insect.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Kora may mga mau
Yeah,
tequila ko
yeah.
na bulu.
Yes, yes.
Ano nunggu pa kana nano?
Yeah.
Boy, kebal dona tabugori. Dona pura-pura mga tabugori. Titombo eh.
Yeah.
We are living in it.
Okay.
Yes.
Da sinikala tu na kenra yang oira na manu-manu somindi. Rebebu kaya na nonta may matay. Ngunu mango.
Right.
Pati kaya makasing oira sa okenda.
Napapukeni, na cucumber.
Iyo.
Alam ko may baka mautaki. But one thing,
Iyo.
Yes.
some of us, they married, they bear fruit because of the insect.
Iyo.
They take it from this one to
Yes.
this one. But some,
Iyo.
Pollination.
some they wedding through the knife.
Iyo.
Yes.
Baka naweliti tangan eh.
Iyo.
Santo na kena imboso buona isele. If you use a knife to calculate me imboso
Yeah.
keni,
Iyo.
he can bear fruit.
Oh.
Ito sa lang na ulit tangan. There's one male popo plant.
Yes.
Ito yung mga bitabioka, demis.
Right.
But it is a small one. So, ang bitabioka na isel sa kuwa.
Yeah. The isele is here.
Who is that?
From Jor Kumar. See the knife.
Okay, John Kumar is saying, baby,
Yeah?
I love you.
Yeah?
John Kumar, very soon I will also get the knife.
Hey, ano na to a dear friend from Singatokan, Baranadali, who say ano na ka John, and matay na ka
Don't do that, Re.
You join Mili siguro tambua problem. Yeah. Secure sa Sangato.
Okay.
Sangato bembo.
Okay, how about the Sony?
The Sony is a kind of plant that scratch our body.
Kung talon na ni mati mga biti?
Aurida na Sony, ko na matanga. There is a two kind of Sony.
Okay.
One kondo ka kanru.
Iyo, oy.
Live in the bush.
Iyo.
Yeah?
The senna, the marble from there.
Yes.
It look like a strawberry.
Oh.
Right.
Kana buona baka na strawberry.
Right iyo.
Oy.
The
Yeah.
But he is very the kind of plant that can destroy your skin color. Kondo bika kanru.
Iyo.
Oy.
And he got spinal cord. Kung kan dito ton. Iyo na kena spine. Yeah.
Injection.
Yeah, to inject
Okay,
your
how
body.
about, there's how about the kabika?
The kabika is from Epanes.
Iyo.
Iso aratutiri talalem boleh minaka.
Iyo.
And Benito Vera from New Zealand. Kabika.
Iyo.
It's a kind of plant that can cure the sweetness of the tongue.
Yes.
Yeah.
Especially for kids.
For kids and also for us gang too.
Oy,
Yeah.
okay.
We use it in two ways. One is for the madake and
Yeah.
another one for stomach ache.
But it's
Okay.
very suitable for the kids, eh?
Yeah, for the
Don't
kids.
give the kids very strong when
Mix.
marakis.
Yeah, because
Yo.
can cause them sickness too.
Yes, because
do that.
I was at the hospital when my daughter was admitted.
Yeah.
2 kids got admitted. They got poisoned. The bell.
Oh, your bells.
Yes, the bell. We know bell. We give it to our kids.
Yeah.
But be very careful when you give the bell to your kids.
Boto koro.
Bote koro is for the kids too.
Iyo.
Sometime for us gang too.
Yes.
During Kubui.
Iyo.
We use that for them, eh?
Yeah.
And also sometime for when we got a cat.
Iyo.
Don't know what we can use bote koro too.
Udi.
Udi for
Yes.
the evil spirit runner. The demurikiner na udi for the running away.
Parimoli.
And also for them too to drink the drinking.
Yes.
Rani muli too can evil spirit runner.
Yeah.
And the muli na katani.
Yeah.
And also it helpful through kubui.
Yes.
Right.
When sometimes the nose is blocked,
Yes.
we want to release the everything from
Yes.
inside.
Yeah.
We have to smell.
Chili.
Chili is for the people who are unsaturated now for the cool weather this time. Cause sometimes
Yeah.
cause membrane detox. Yeah, they kill the injury time in our body, especially the fatness.
Dan kita orang kami.
Yeah, the fatness and the coldness in our body.
Dor mo na kaya kaya na kada mga madali sa roy mga bitil lai.
Right.
Na wamba sudu dems.
Wambosudu is good.
Malam ini.
Yes.
It's good the wambosudu. The wambosudu sometimes the blood.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you take it too much, it can cause blood. The boy dalata kana nandra.
Oh,
Leonini.
okay.
Leonini.
Yeah.
Leonini is the one that.
Yeah.
Aku simbera mo ni urin do talata na.
Nguno ba?
Nguno ba may sus. Yeah, and everything, you know, nature is giving from the above.
Yes,
Dina.
true.
We have to use.
Yes.
Some of us we are lacking of this.
Warusi.
Yes.
Warusi for Buddha.
Hey, later.
It helps our blood cell.
Debu.
Debu.
Yeah.
Yeah, debu.
Debu is coming from the.
Also known as Tuki Andre.
Yo, Debu is coming from the EB season.
No.
LST na itu kan ang boleh menaka. Guava is for blocking material. Kamay makelesi. Bro boleh menaka. Iya. LST na itu kana.
Kelan di sa tasor boleh muna. Na apa pala boleh muna kete.
Iya.
Do tu ikan dalam gua.
Iyo.
Yes, I will do one mas.
Iyo.
Oka baka metu nawanga daw tubang kono kananggar sando ti sapa na nawana. Do sapa may na kinaway mela ko itumba. Okay, ndola ba na koko. Sando ndola na koko kay bloken na gua.
Try na sa rin guwa.
Ay sire gua me wili na wanian na.
Woi, sekali.
Meron dito ang pera, boleh pinaka, may kati-kati New Zealand.
Oh, yan benar ka. Kia ora.
Lamba El Noni.
Benar to all friends tuning from the land of the long white clouds in New Zealand.
Mel na dalibu.
Must be cold up there.
Ooh, very cold.
Huh?
Very, very cold,
Kaya naman
yes.
kayo Fiji. In Fiji, dapat kelas yung
Yes.
mata-mata. Imagine no na kada New Zealand.
Ay, sir.
Nanraki bang
But they are used to it.
Iyo.
They have the clothes for it.
Di na sir.
Iyo.
Ambior to non dasan kayo suka ni ko ibiti.
Yes.
Kung lita ka ika.
Iyo.
Kita kata tu na bucha, lo mani bucha.
Right.
Wow.
Ndona nonto family Osia mbele sabu Osia match.
Iya.
O ka tunggu me Australia job na bucho ka.
Right.
Turo ka it's
It's very cold.
sometimes they sick
Oh.
because of the coldness. Even though they wear cardigan and everything, the suit
Yes,
that fit
true.
the job
Iya.
But ang gato ko namin ko kuruin na sa sindo nga baka na silimbor. Induan-duan na
Baka
silimbor.
tua.
Iya. Do nga silbor kan jir sir kaya. Mentar nimbula. Iya. Sila nga men gonna baby love.
Hey.
Iya.
Hey, Josh, boleh pinaka tabalengo.
Mili PW suka na tambuo wallpaper. Sabi niya.
Benar boleh besar kami na mekanista sendrong ada. Ndak bisa matala mataka. Sando tala na ital no rong bina kami ndak bisa matikina.
Right.
Matangango num heart num chef takina num like. Dono?